Hello, we are Group 8 and this is our presentation. The meta-analysis of 85 research papers show that there is an increase in rainfall by 16% over urban areas. But has urbanization caused a change in the rainfall pattern? We don't have an answer to that. The research will aim to answer that question. It will act as a foundation for further research and might help in reducing the effect that urbanization has on rainfall. This brings us to a research question. Does urbanization affect rainfall? Let's delve into the problem. Human activities have always had an impact on weather and climate. More number of people are moving from rural and semi-rural areas to large cities in search of better livelihood. This process is called urbanization. As more people move to cities, the cities need to expand for various infrastructures like large road networks, bridges, buildings. For this purpose, land covered with vegetation will be modified to suit the needs of the city. More the population, greater the usage of automobiles and large energy consumption, which gives rise to the phenomena called urban heat island. Moving on to aerosols. Urban areas, industries, agricultural areas, disasters like forest fire, volcano eruptions result in suspension of tiny air particles in air. Water condenses around these particles, especially sulfates and form clouds. These come down as rainfall. Aerosol particles absorb heat. This results in making the atmosphere warmer. The research aims to find whether cities cause change in rainfall. If yes, then how significant is the change? What are the major factors causing these changes? The focus of our research is the city of Melbourne. The plan of action of a team is first, literature review. Second, analysis of the problem. Third, collection of data for a minimum of 10 years. Fourth, categorizing the data. And finally, analyzing the data with the help of softwares. Methodology. Literature review concludes that two main factors which adversely affect the unpredictable precipitation levels are heat island effect and aerosols. Location. We chose Melbourne because of its continuous and unpredictable weather patterns, increase in immigrants and energy consumption levels over the years. Data collection. The Bureau of Meteorology and Delhi Department of Industry, Science, Energy and Resources provide us with the database for daily precipitation levels. Data analysis. Data collected will be analyzed using softwares which will give linear regression models as an output. The outcomes of this research will be analyze data proving whether urbanization affects rainfall or not. Regression analysis on factors like heat island effect and aerosols. Graphical data underlining the change in rainfall patterns over the years in the city of Melbourne. This research will require computers with moderate computational power, internet for collecting data, Microsoft Office and SPSS software by IBM. Most importantly, it will require a lot of time to collect data. Furthermore, this timeline will be followed to achieve the research aims. Through this project, we will be filling the gap in the research. Set foundation for future research. Showcase the factors that affect rainfall and how significantly these factors affect rainfall. Funding this research will help to address these research gaps. All around the world, rainfall patterns have changed, which has resulted in an increase in the number of droughts and floods. There are multiple factors that affect rainfall, like urbanization, deforestation, pollution, and greenhouse effect. One can even say that the change in rainfall pattern is just a side effect. A noticeable change in the amount of precipitation in cities over the years have been recorded. Despite the perceptible change in rainfall due to population concentration, there are questions that yet have to be answered. How effectively will the project method be able to address the research gap? Up to what degree has urbanization affected rainfall? Is the effect of population concentration and urbanization on climate reversible? Thank you.